an educational platform. So today we are going to have a delight conversation with the winner of Youth Tvet Challenge. He's called Josue. So he's going to tell us all about this challenge, the innovation he brought to us for this competition. So for me today, I am Zura Mtoniwase. So if you are new here, please subscribe, comment and share. So let's start.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm called Iradupasha Josue. So I'm Tvet Youth winner of 3rd place in the IPRC Hoy. So Tvet Youth Challenge is a competition established by Rwanda Polytechnic, which takes place in all IPRCs in Rwanda. So on behalf of me, the way I used to join this Tvet competition challenge, I was from Musanze to Gesera, and someone sent me a form for applying to Tvet Youth Challenge competition in Rwanda Polytechnic, and then I filled it, then I sent it to Career Guidance. So my expectation in this Tvet Youth Challenge competition was just at least to win. Where I said I can be the first, I could be the second or the third, but I didn't want to go so far away from those places. So innovative project name is soil conservation, climate change and biodiversity sustainability. It means that this project has come to solve those problems related to climatic change condition and even soil conservation accompanied with biodiversity sustainability. That is what I'm going to explain as soon as possible. So where I have got this thought, so my project was related to transformation of living organisms, specifically those wastage from kitchen and even human hairs, and transform them into plant nutrient that plant will be able to absorb when they have been applied into the soil. So because my product is composed of those different organic materials and even hair, it means that I was just finding what can I use, what could I use in order to decompose hair. It was tough journey. Some people couldn't understand that, and they can't imagine it because so many people know that you can't decompose hair because it takes so long time. While for me, when I'm preparing this product, hair takes at least 1.5 months to be decomposed. So during the production of this product, I am able to increase the rate of ratios, chemical ratios like phosphorus, nitrogen and calcium, where I can say that due to the species I have used, they contain so much nitrogen, because as we know, hair composed of keratin protein, which composed of nitrogen, carbon and other chemical element. Those elements are the one which I would like to transform into plant nutrient, because if you apply hair when it is fresh, it is not very possible for plant to absorb those nutrients. That is why I would like to transform it into plant nutrient or bio or organic fertilizer which will be used by plant. So to make this product, I have just to make a heap of different wastage but which are biodegradable, and then after I press it at somewhere else around 15 days, and then I remove them there, and then I pack in box where I also put my worms. As I have said, the first step is just to make a pre-composting. The second stage is just to take what have been composted a bit, and then you pack it into a box. Then the following step is just to bring earthworm, and then you put in the waste, and then after 1 month you should take your product. So during production, I provide two products. We have solid biofertilizer and even liquid fertilizer. It means that during production, when decomposing is taking place, the worms provide solid fertilizer at the same time with liquid fertilizers. So they are good product to be used on crop and even to enhance soil conservation. It means that production time is approximately 1.5 months. So thank you. Even though I haven't said before my introduction, I have studied agriculture engineering since 2017 up to now. So where I got this proposal, this project idea, I said, if I am in a agriculture sector, what can I do so that I can be great in the, not only in the college but even in the country. So in my dreams, I grew up thinking that I could be self-employed. So when I saw the prize, I said, what can I do in order to win that prize? So I have said I can make an innovative project, and that if possible, if the chance is mine, I will win at least one of the award provided by Rwanda Polytechnic. So where the innovative project came from, so as we know, there is a big problem in the agriculture sector where the farmers don't have enough or sufficient agri inputs to use in order to increase crop production or agriculture production. I have said, what can I do as my passion? I said, even though I'm an agriculture engineer, maybe I cannot start from farming, but I can start from just manufacturing a product which I will sell to those farmers, so that afterward, me too, I will be engaged in farming. So this project won 2 millions. 1 million is in a Tvet Youth Challenge competition, and another one in a African Evangelical Enterprise, which has partnership with Tier Fund and the European Union. The first challenge I made in this Tvet Youth Challenge competition is financial. financial challenge. For this moment, to provide to produce this product, it is somehow very expensive because 1 kg of worms bought 45,000. You see, for me, on behalf of me as a student, it was not very easy, but I have tried my best. So the second challenge, on the first stage during pitching, they have asked me what are the nutrient ratio in your product. This one was also very difficult to me because it required me to take my product into laboratory analysis so that they can give me an accurate ratio. So the third challenge was other competitors. Sometimes when we are in a competition, it sounds difficult because you need award and your competitors also need award. It means that you have to use different tactic so that you can win the prize, the award. So for this challenge, I used to go in the swamp, which is the underneath Credo, and bring 2 soil aggregate just to show, to convince the panel, to show that my product will impact the soil because it is related to soil conservation, and will also make climate change risk management strategy. If you open this product and you smell nothing, it means that carbon or those global emission gas which may affect ozone layer are consumed by the worms and transformed into plant nutrient which could be used by plant. So for this issue, because it was also not the first time I stand in front of the panel, it was somehow became easy. So during implementing this project, I did it on, I can say, alone. But what I did, I just listened to the advice of some people like Daniga Kwandi, who were a senior in sericulture in 2019, and I talked to Agri Research Limited, and another person is called Murelamanzi, who sold me worms. Tools needed in order to implement this project, so we need a shredding machine in order to cut this the big waste into small, like banana peels and even other waste which are very large, because when we break them into smaller pieces, it became very easy for worms to consume them and then provide the biofertilizer in a short time. So during pitching, it was not very easy because I would like to convince the panel, and this project it was looking like new. So it means that it required me much effort in order to convince them, but I have tried my best by bringing what I can call factual evidence to show them how nowadays soil aggregate are, and to convince them how this product will make at least change on that soil conservation. And when we reach on biodiversity sustainability, it was also very difficult to make them understand what I was telling them. But I have just used biology and the chemistry to show them how this product will also affect that. And even on climate change risk management strategy. So my long-term goals, first of all, as I have said in the previous talk, I want to be self-employed. And when you need to be self-employed, you start small till you reach to the level you would like to reach. So first of all, I need to have a company. Already registered a company which is called the Green Harvest Solution Rwanda Limited, which will be working in Bugesera district in 2 sectors. Because in Bugesera district there is a program which is called Smart Bugesera, where they have started to collect biodegradable waste and biodegradable waste, and I mean they don't mix them. They put biodegradable waste at their part and biodegradable waste in their part. So I would like to collaborate with them and to help them to decompose those waste and provide product which will be needed by so many farmers. The second is just to provide unemployment to the youth, including women and men. So message to the other innovators or my colleagues, I can tell them that the sky is not limited. It means that they have just to try to hit the chance, because sometimes a person can think that things are impossible while it is easy and possible. So for younger youth, specifically those one who are in the agriculture sector, they have to feel free, because it is a place where they can earn much money than any other kind of business. So I can encourage younger students who are in a secondary school to come to study in the IPRC, because in the IPRC, a student of IPRCs, they obtain skills and knowledge. So maybe those guys could not understand it, but if I tell you that all the knowledge and skills I used to implement or to produce this product was obtained from Rwanda Polytechnic.
Yes, you hear all about this solid biofertilizer, and thank you, Josue, for your contribution for this community. So keep up to our next video. Bye bye.